Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the AC condenser on a Ford Escape first generation from 2001 all the way until 2007. You will have to remove the bumper cover first. We have the video on our channel. You can find it in the description below, so you can see how you can do that, guys. It's pretty simple. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for one new video every day. Alright guys, next thing that we need to do, we need a 13mm socket, and we need to remove, okay, two nuts right there that hold the AC lines, and you make sure that you don't have any pressure in the system. Relieve the pressure before you do that, because it's going to blow in your eyes, and that's not good stuff. Okay, one right there, and as you can see, the bottom one had a leak. The rubber seal, the O-ring was leaking, as you can see, so we'll need to be replacing that one. Always inspect those for cracks and if they're wore out. And after you do that, you can go ahead, and now we need to remove that clip right here, okay, for the cover, and one right here. So you just pull those up. It depends, there is two different kinds. One you have to pull the middle part out, one you just pull the whole thing out. This one you just need to pull the whole clip out, okay, just like that. Now there is two boxes that we need to remove with a 10mm socket, one here and one right there for the bracket, as you can see. Now you can just pull it out just like that. And we have the same procedure on this side as well. Two more on this side. They have replaced them in the past, so those are 8mm for some reason. Okay, and you just pull it out the same way, like that. Now you can go ahead and pull it out. You just pull up like that. It's pretty simple. Just make sure that you don't hit anything. And that's the condenser, guys, right there. So that's how you remove it and replace it. If you have any questions, let us know. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.